Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got a simple one for you. This is a headlight restoration. The main products we're going to use is actually just some 1000 grit sandpaper, and I picked up this clear coat from Walmart. We're going to make it go from this to this, and I'm going to start by taping off edges. Okay, you're going to grab your sandpaper. We're going to spray the light, and we're going to start sanding. I like to just go in one direction. I don't really want to swirl it up. If it does show up, which I doubt it, but this gives you a peace of mind. Get all that stuff going down. Just keep spraying it down. You can still see some stuff coming out. Then we'll give it a nice rinse. And let's go ahead and wipe it down. If you have a blowgun, go ahead and use it. That's going to be your best bet. If not, we're going to try to get in these crevices really good. Or you can pop your hood if you want, which would suck because you would break that seal if you already have it on. Or you can fit this rag under there. You're gonna try to get all around. Make sure there's no water anywhere. Now we're gonna grab some rubbing alcohol. The higher the percentage, the better, but I'm gonna use what I have. Go ahead and get your light all the way around. Now we're gonna cover up, or try to cover up, the rest of the car. I'm going to put a bag over this. Alright, let's give it one more wipe before we begin spraying our clear coat. It says to shake our can for at least a minute. Give it a little test spray. And now let's begin. I'm gonna go side to side. Okay, let's give it another pass. Even though this thing had some drips on the top and it kind of flew on there, which is so disappointing. All right, there you go, guys. If this video helped you out, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.